Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of onboarding process. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through how to install Adobe on Windows, right? Because sometimes, let's say students, they are going through the training and we send them a PDF. Sometimes they are not able to open that PDF document. Why? Because they don't have the proper software installed to open that, right? Adobe here is basically a software that can allow you to open PDF document on Windows operating system. If I click on this, it's going to take me to a page where I can basically download Adobe and install, right? It's just a PDF reader. And I will make sure that I basically put the link of this page in the description of this video so that if you want to go ahead and download Adobe and install, you can go ahead and do so. Let me go ahead here and just hit download Adobe. As you guys can see, the download is done. It is really fast, and I will move here and I can go ahead and check. I have here Adobe Reader, and I'll just go ahead and open. It prompts you, do you really want to do that? And I'll go ahead here and confirm yes, and it will go ahead and install. As you guys can see, I have it already installed, and that's why it was really fast. And when you are done now, if you have any PDF document, what will happen? As you guys can see, this is using the Adobe Reader, and you can read this PDF without any issue. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please let me know in the description, in the comment below, and also if you have not yet subscribed to this to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so that you will be notified when we publish a new video. And also, please do not forget to follow us on social media such as LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, and so on. Thank you. Bye-bye.